Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Empirman Febriana and then my student number is 2024747934. Today I'm going to present a topic that relates to our daily lives and overall well-being. It is called leading a happy life. And then let me begin by outlining what I will talk about in this presentation. First one is I will define what happiness really means. And then I will discuss the factor that influence happiness, both internal and external. And the next, I will share some scientific finding about happiness. And then after that, I will provide practical tips on how we can lead a happy life. And then finally, I will conclude with a few key takeaways. And then next, so what is happiness? Maybe you feel happy today, or you always feel happy all day, maybe, right? And then happiness is a state of emotional well-being. It is when we feel joy, satisfaction, and fulfillment. The interesting thing is happiness is very subjective. It can be different for everyone, right? And then for some, it means success. For others, it means peace of mind, strong relationship, or simply living in the moment. But overall, happiness is essential for living a meaningful and balanced life. Do you agree? Okay. And then now let's let's talk about what make us happy. There are two types. Okay, two types of factor. First one is internal factors, and then the last one is external factor. Internal factors come from within us, such as a positive mindset, okay, right? And then gratitude and having a clear life purpose. These are things we can control, right? For internal factor. On the other hand, external factors include our relationships, financial stability, and then our psychical health. Both types are important, but research show that internal factors have stronger and longer lasting effect on our happiness. Okay, so the internal factors have a stronger, and then maybe is more influence in our life to making us always happy all day. Okay, and then let's take a look at what science says. According to the Harvard study of adult development, the number one predictor of long-term happiness is strong relationship, or maybe strong relationship is the key to happiness. And then Martin Seligman, the father of positive psychology, embraces that we can grow our happiness by practicing gratitude, showing kindness, and having meaningful goals. Another expert, Diner's theory, explained that happiness is combination of life satisfaction and then positive emotion and a low level of negative emotion. So the all research here is to show to us about the happiness is depends on internal picture. Okay, it's the same like the slide before. The slide before say the internal picture is stronger than external picture. Okay, and then this is I will try to give your practical tips to lead a happy life. So how do we apply this in real life? Here are some simple but maybe powerful tips. Okay, and then first one is practice gratitude every day. Write down three things you are thankful for. Yeah, let's start to write down three things you are thankful for. And then second, build strong relationship with people who support and care for you in your life. And then third, take care of your body with doing exercise, eating well, and sleeping enough, right? And then the fourth is set personal goals and take step toward achieving them. Okay, and then the fifth, do activities that bring you joy. Whether it is listening music, or cooking, or maybe reading, or doing your uh, doing your hobby. Yeah, doing your hobby at least one or once a week or twice a week maybe. And then the lastly is practice mindfulness. Then you have to try to be present and enjoy the moment instead of worrying too much about the future. Many people is too overthinking about their uh, overthinking or worrying about their future maybe. So start from now if you want to feel happy or feeling happy all day, every day, yes, and then so try to be present and enjoy the moment instead of worrying too much about the future, right? And then in this, the last slide is conclusion. Conclusion is happiness is not something we find by luck. It is something we create through daily action and our mindset. We should focus on growing internally with gratitude, purpose, and kindness, and also with strong connection with others. Let me end with a quote by the Dalai Lama. Dalai Lama said this is quote is happiness is not something ready-made. It comes from your own action, right? I hope you feeling happy today and then always happy every day. Thank you very much for listening and for attention and viewing. That's all for my presentation. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.